Databricks Genie Code. Imagine this. You open Databricks and instead of writing thousands of lines of code for data engineering, analytics, machine learning, AI, you simply type build a pipeline, handle the CDC data, run the data quality checks, perform exploratory data analysis, train a machine learning model, build a AI agent, or create a dashboard. And the system actually does it for you. Yes, you heard that right. Databricks Genie Code will not just give you a suggestion, it will not just give you a code snippet, or it's not just an AI assistant. It builds the entire workflow for you. This is what exactly the Genie Code is. Hey, hi. Hello, everyone. I'm Naval Yemul. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Data Master. And in today's video, we are going to explore something really exciting in the Databricks ecosystem, Genie Code. Before we start, if you want to learn Databricks, data, and AI, make sure to subscribe to my channel, follow for more content, and press the bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming videos. So, recently, Databricks have launched something called Databricks Genie Code, and this is completely new. Previously, Databricks had something called Databricks Assistant. So this assistant work like a co-pilot. So you ask a question, it gives you the response. And you ask a query, it generates the code snippet. Was it helpful? Yes, it was. But still you have to build it yourself. But now Databricks have completely changed the game. They moved from assistant to autonomous agent. And that autonomous agent is called Genie Code. Genie code does not just suggest the code, it actually plans the task, executes the workflow, debugs the error, generates the pipeline, builds dashboard, end to end, everything from your Databricks workspace itself. And the amazing is you don't need to connect it to your VS Code or cursor. Then you use a pro version or a premium version of your cursor and then start using the agent mode, plan mode there. You can do all that without any third party or without any IDE inside the Databricks itself, directly inside your Databricks workspace. So instead of just answering the prompt, it actually gets the work done. And honestly, this might completely change how the data and AI systems are built. So what exactly is Genie code? If you ask me the definition, so Genie code is just a AI powered autonomous data agent that builds directly into your Lakehouse platform. And it's much more powerful than typical AI assistant or a code assistant, because instead of just responding to the user's prompt, it actually understands the goal, plans the workflow, executes the code, it executes the task, debug the failure, and fix that failure and complete the complex data workflows. In simple words, Genie code is not just responding, it is actually acting. Now, let's make this practical. In this video, we are not just talking about the Genie code theoretically, but we are going to use it. And the best part is we can do it in your Databricks free edition, completely free. So in this video, I'm going to build an end-to-end data engineering use case. We will be using a production ready Spark declarative pipelines, and using this Genie code, we will give a prompt to build a pipeline, handle the transformation, generate the workflow, and even create a dashboard on top of it. We are going to use a sample data, but you can use your own data sets also. You just provide the volume path and simply provide the prompt to the Genie code, and you can just see the Genie code is working for you. Trust me, this might blow your mind now. Okay. So now let's move to the Databricks free edition and start exploring the Genie code in action. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you subscribe to it and comment below if you want me to make more videos like this on Databricks, data and AI. Your comments really motivates me to create more content for you. So let's jump onto the hands. This is how the Databricks Workspace free edition looks like. Okay, so I have logged into my Databricks Free Edition. It works amazingly in all other premium accounts also, Azure, AWS, GCP, and so on. But let me stick to the Free Edition. Here you have a button. You can see it was an assistant, but now it's a Genie code here. So it runs multi-step data and AI tasks, and you can change this from agent mode to chat mode. If you just want to get the answer from the assistant, you can use a chat mode, but it's always recommended to use an agent mode here. Okay, so I'm going to build an entire pipeline by using this Genie code, and I'll just show you the context. I'll be using a sample data. Maybe I'll be using a sample data set from a bakehouse schema. You can see this in sample catalogs. We have a bakehouse schema. We have couple of tables here. So I want to build a pipeline based on this, assuming that this is a source. But trust me, if you have any CSV or JSON or any Parquet file in your volumes, even you can just mention to your Genie code, this is my source. From there, you can start building it. Maybe in the next use case, I'll take that where I'll be adding some raw data and then I'll start building a pipeline and then dashboard and so on. But for this use case, I'll rely on to this sample data. So I'll start with this now. Okay. So I have built this end-to-end pipeline. So I've given my Delta Live table or a Spark declarative pipeline name as an agent pipeline. And you can see I have like just gave a prompt to a Genie code and it created all three layers. Let me show you here. So you can see in the transformation, I did not do anything. It created a bronze layer, I mean bronze folder where I have all the scripts related to the bronze. And then uh, agent, that is your Genie code, automatically created a silver folder. And I have all the scripts related to the silver here and also the gold here. Okay. So, and it also created the dependencies, graphs, everything. So let me show you the prompt here now. Let me just go to this Genie code and yeah, this is the prompt that I have mentioned it. So create a pipeline. I explicitly mentioned in SQL from a sample bakehouse dataset. Yeah, I want you to use a sample dataset. As I mentioned, you can use CSV, JSON, Parquet, whatever your file format is. You can just mention that in your volume and you can give a volume path, clearly mention the volume path. And I mentioned like maintain the Medallion architecture and you implement the SCD type to also check the data quality or implement the data quality checks. Keep the data engineering best practices. And I want a metadata driven approach and pull the insights from the silver and create a materialized views in the gold schema. And also, I want you to create a dashboard from the gold views. So this is the prompt I have given, nothing else. So my Genie code or an autonomous agent from Databricks, it came up with the plan that okay, I want to do these all things. It came up with that amazing plan and then it started executing that plan. And you can see it created so many assets within it. I mean, there are almost 14 tables. I mean, 14 assets it got created. You can check it from here. Yeah, you can check these all data assets like bronze, silver, gold. It created everything here and it also executed it. Maybe at certain point it gave me some error and my agent automatically fixed that. Yeah, and it came to me as a human in the loop and asked me that okay, I have built a pipeline, I have designed all the architecture, do you want me to execute it? So I just mentioned it like yeah, now start building the pipeline and the pipeline was set. So this is really amazing. Just with a prompt, your Genie code doesn't just answer the question but it executes everything end to end. And lastly, I mentioned my Genie code to create a dashboard on top of it. You can see here, I mentioned it like create a dashboard and your Genie agent or a Genie code is so smart. It knows the context that I'm talking about creating a dashboard for the same data set. So it went to a Databricks dashboard and it created this amazing dashboard with 3 pages here. One is revenue overview and you can check the details, the KPIs, the graphs, the table are really placed amazing. And there's a second page also called customer insights. It really pulls out all the insights of the customers, uh, pulling out the KPIs and then customer spending by country, by gender. Amazing. Look at these insights. And then finally, it also created one more page called franchise performance, and you can check the details here. And Genie is added to this dashboard. Now you can directly start asking the queries and questions in a natural language on this dashboard by using the Genie feature. Okay, this Genie feature is different. That helps you to convert text to SQL, and the one assistant that we are talking about is a Genie code. It's completely a game changer. It is an autonomous AI agent that not only answers your queries, but it executes the real world. It executes the workflows in real world. And one thing I want to mention it, so when it's executing it, it obviously needs a compute, and the compute it is using is a serverless compute. So please make sure that when you are using a Genie code in your work time or in your workload, make sure that you are being charged by a serverless compute. Okay, so please make sure that you can change the compute and so on. And here you have an option to get the history. So whatever the queries you have asked previously, you can check all that in this history tab. And you can do the you can go to the settings, and you can add some MCP servers to it. You can give a clear instructions to this Genie code. You can give a workspace instructions. You can give a skills is like you can teach your Genie code new capabilities by providing some markdown files and so on. You can give some few short examples, some maybe few examples that your Genie code can learn from these examples or from the skills. You can add those here. Okay, so this is how Genie code helps you to create a end-to-end data engineering pipeline and the dashboard. I have tried to build a machine learning model also by using this. If you want to even check that, please do comment for this video. For the next, I'll try to create a machine learning model or an AI agent by using this Genie code. And that's how Databricks Genie code works. As you saw in this demo, we simply provided a prompt, and your Genie code helps to build an end-to-end data engineering pipeline, handling transformation, and even preparing data for analytics. This clearly shows where the future of data and AI development is heading. Instead of spending hours writing boilerplate codes, we can now focus more on designing better data architects and solving real world business problems. While AI agents like Genie Code helps us to accelerate the implementation. And honestly, this is just a beginning. We are moving from AI assistants to AI agents that can actually do that work. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, comment below, and tell me what you think about the Genie code. And most importantly, subscribe to my channel. And for more videos on Databricks, data and AI, also feel free to connect me on LinkedIn, where I regularly share the insights and updates from data and AI ecosystem. Thank you for watching. Keep learning data and AI. See you in the next video. Bye bye.